In many situations, you're going to have a landlord who's merely just trying to collect the rent that the tenant agreed to pay. But of course, the tenant will use the system to avoid paying rent. For example, under the law, a tenant does not have to pay rent if there is a condition with the premises that needs repair and the landlord was given reasonable opportunity and failed to repair. But again, we have the tenants using this as a sword where they will not inform the landlord that something is wrong with the premises, or they will create the problems themselves. Then what they will do is withhold rent, and when the landlord goes to do the eviction, their defense will be that the landlord failed to maintain the premises in a habitable condition. As such, the landlord now, a novice that he might be, finds himself embroiled in a major legal battle dealing with the condition of the premises when in fact all he was trying to do was get his rent, and the tenant never at any time told him that something needed repair. There is a program now started by our wonderful state called the Shriver program. In that program, attorneys are appointed free to tenants whether they need it or not. And in those cases, they always ask for a jury trial. So you can imagine the owner's dismay of trying to evict the tenant where the rent is relatively low. Tenant hasn't paid for a couple of months. Tenant is making up a lot of things wrong with the premises, hires a free attorney. That attorney then asks for a jury trial, and now we're looking at a premise where the rent is $700 per month, and the landlord is going to have to pay an attorney thousands of dollars to go forward with a jury trial. It's really just an abuse on the system that we see being played on a day-to-day basis.